Is XRP the Netflix of money? Here's why it could take over. Remember how Netflix changed the way we consume entertainment? What if I told you that XRP has the potential to do the same for money? If you think that's an outrageous claim, just wait until you hear what I've uncovered. The Netflix analogy. There's no denying that Netflix has completely transformed the way we consume entertainment. In 1997, Netflix was just a humble DVD rental service, sending those little red envelopes through the good old US Postal Service. But the founders, Reed Hastings and Mark Randolph, saw an opportunity to shake up the entertainment industry, much like how Ripple Labs and the XRP crew are looking to revolutionize the world of finance. In the early 2000s, Netflix pioneered the personalized recommendation algorithm, making it easier than ever for users to discover new content. And in 2007, they made the bold move to transition from physical DVDs to online streaming, completely disrupting the traditional video rental model. Fast forward to 2024, and Netflix has grown into a global behemoth, boasting a staggering 270 million subscribers worldwide. That's more people than the entire population of Brazil. And you know what's really mind-blowing? Netflix's market capitalization is a cool $292 billion. To put that into perspective, that's roughly the GDP of New Zealand. Anyway, my point is, Netflix saw an opportunity to shake up the entertainment industry and they seized it. And that's exactly what XRP aims to do in the financial sector. XRP Connection. Much like Netflix, Ripple Labs was founded in 2012 with a mission to tackle a long-standing problem: the slow, expensive, and often unreliable world of cross-border payments. I mean, you're trying to send money to your cousin in Timbuktu, and it takes days to arrive with a hefty fee tacked on for good measure. Not exactly the most efficient system, am I right? So, Ripple Labs decided to do something about it. They launched XRP, and in the early days, it went through a proof-of-concept phase, working closely with financial institutions and investors to demonstrate the potential of their blockchain-based technology. And much like Netflix's personalized recommendations, XRP's innovative features, such as lightning-fast settlement times and low transaction fees, have caught the attention of banks and payment providers around the globe. XRP's scaling and global reach. As of 2024, XRP is in full-on scaling mode, much like Netflix when they transitioned from those iconic red envelopes to the streaming juggernaut we know and love today. The team at Ripple Labs has been working tirelessly to integrate XRP with global payment systems, positioning it to become the standard for international transactions. According to a recent report by Ripple Labs, XRP has the potential to save financial institutions a staggering $11 billion in cross-border payment fees each year. That's enough to buy like 1,000 private islands in the Caribbean. Or, maybe just a few really nice yachts for the Ripple Labs executives. But seriously, that kind of cost-saving potential is exactly what got the attention of banks and payment providers around the world. They were like, wait, you're telling me we can move money faster, cheaper, and more securely? Sign me up. Apart from all the money, guys, XRP is also making waves when it comes to speed and reliability. Remember those days when you'd try to stream a movie on Netflix and it would buffer every 5 seconds? Yeah, me neither. That's because Netflix has spent years optimizing their platform to deliver a seamless, high-quality experience. And XRP is doing the same thing when it comes to cross-border payments. The regulatory landscape. As we've been exploring the parallels between Netflix and XRP, one key factor that sets XRP apart is the regulatory landscape it's navigating. While Netflix had the luxury of disrupting the entertainment industry without too much government oversight, XRP has had to tread more carefully in the highly regulated world of finance. Despite facing regulatory challenges, legal battles with the SEC, and uncertainty, the team at Ripple Labs has shown an incredible ability to adapt and overcome. There's one area where it could have an even more profound impact: emerging markets. According to a recent report by the World Bank, over 1.7 billion adults worldwide are still unbanked, with the majority living in developing countries. But with XRP's fast, cheap, and reliable cross-border payments, that could all be about to change. XRP has the potential to be a game-changer for emerging markets, says financial analyst Sarah Chen. By providing access to financial services that were previously out of reach, XRP could help lift millions out of poverty and drive economic growth in some of the world's poorest regions. Interestingly, XRP's decentralized nature also makes it resistant to political instability and government interference, which is a common problem in many emerging markets. You can say it's the kind of technological edge that could give XRP a huge advantage over traditional financial institutions. XRP's innovative product development. Okay, to be honest, the company is not content to just be the go-to solution for cross-border payments. They are also innovating at a breakneck pace. Just like Netflix's expansion into interactive content, XRP is developing cutting-edge financial products and services using blockchain technology. One example is the recently launched XRP Ledger Decentralized Exchange, XRPDX. It's so much more than just another place to buy and sell digital assets. This decentralized exchange allows users to trade a wide range of assets, including fiat currencies, crypto, and even commodities. Imagine being able to swap your US dollars for Japanese yen or your bitcoins for gold, all with the click of a button. No more dealing with the hassle of traditional exchanges. No more waiting days for your funds to settle. XRPDX is bringing the power of decentralization to the world of finance, and it's doing it all on the back of the lightning-fast XRP blockchain. Interestingly, Ripple Labs' CEO said they're not stopping. They've got a whole slew of innovative products and services in the works, all designed to disrupt the traditional financial landscape. Think things like smart contracts, tokenized assets, and even decentralized lending platforms. Ripple Labs is doing all of this with a focus on accessibility and inclusivity. I say this is just tip of the iceberg with XRP's innovative product lineup. XRP's ultimate goal. Moving on, it's time to talk about the big kahuna, XRP's pursuit of complete market dominance. Because let's be real, what's the point of all this disruption and innovation if you're not aiming to be the top dog, right? Just like Netflix set its sights on becoming the undisputed king of entertainment, XRP has its eyes firmly fixed on becoming the king of global finance. By transforming the way we think about money and payments, XRP aims to become the go-to solution for individuals and businesses alike. And the numbers speak for themselves. Like I mentioned at the start of the video, XRP has the potential to save financial institutions billions of dollars in cross-border payment fees each year. That's a compelling argument for adoption, and it's one that's already resonating with investors and institutions around the world. Talking about investors, I personally feel that one area where XRP really stands out is in its ability to attract institutional investors and partners. According to a recent survey by Fidelity Digital Assets, over 36% of institutional investors already own digital assets, with XRP being one of the most popular choices. I mean, it's not hard to see why. Ripple's chief market strategist, Corey Johnson, shared in an interview, XRP offers a unique combination of speed, scalability, and cost-effectiveness that makes it an attractive option for financial institutions. By partnering with Ripple, banks and payment providers can offer their customers a better, faster, and more efficient way to move money around the world. Like I said earlier, XRP also has a strong team behind it. with a proven track record of delivering results. That's the kind of reassurance that institutional investors are looking for when they're considering investing in a new tech. Optimism for XRP's disruptive potential. As we look to the future, there's a lot of optimism surrounding XRP's potential to disrupt the traditional financial landscape. Just like Netflix transformed the entertainment industry, XRP is poised to revolutionize the world of money. The folks at Ripple Labs are some of the brightest minds in the blockchain space, and they're driven by a passion for innovation and a commitment to making the world a better place. According to the latest projections, XRP could potentially reach a price of $2.75 by July 2024. That's a level of market dominance that would make even the most seasoned Wall Street trader do a double take. And if the team at Ripple Labs continues to innovate and expand their product lineup, there's no telling how high XRP could soar. And that's a wrap. We've explored how XRP could take over the financial world, just like Netflix did with entertainment. So, what are your thoughts on XRP's potential to disrupt the industry? Do you see it becoming as revolutionary as Netflix? Share your opinions and comments below. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recent video on top analysts' huge XRP prediction, a repeat of 2017's epic rally. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.